my greatest, I guess, sense of delight about participating is that we have an opportunity to work together and to work cohesively in this community as opposed to working in silos. There are a whole lot of good things already happening in Memphis. I include my organization in that, that are already trying to chip away at the issue of youth violence and just both on the prevention and intervention sides of it. But I think there's so much more that could be realized if we're working more as a team, as a community, with all sectors involved, with alignment for common goals, and really getting things accomplished. And so I see this as a great opportunity for us to do that. I think there certainly have been some very positive steps to make that happen. And they're just convening people together to talk and plan, and hopefully through Operation Safe Communities and those strategies to do some things as well together.